Welcome to Tech Tip Daily. Today I'll be giving you a few tips on how to improve your Windows 11 computer's Wi-Fi speed. To begin, simply go to the bottom search bar, and here you're going to want to look for Windows Update. Let's go to Windows Update Settings. Now once in Windows Update Settings, you want to scroll down, and we're going to want to click Advanced Options. From there, you're going to want to go down to Additional Options and look for Delivery Optimization. Once in Delivery Optimization, you can go ahead and click the download options to limit bandwidth used for downloads. Here you can basically pick and choose which amount of bandwidth you want to allow in terms of the amount used for downloads that would be in the background or foreground. So you can go ahead and click that, and you can adjust the percentage based on how much you'd want to allocate for that. By adjusting this, it would basically improve your Wi-Fi speed by allocating less resources for downloads in the background or foreground. See, at the current time, it's 45 and 90% when just looking at the default on this computer. However, you can adjust it differently for yourself, and that in and of itself would help increase or improve your Wi-Fi speed on your Windows 11 computer. For the next tip, what you'll do is go down to the search bar once again, and we're going to look for network. Well, we can go right into settings actually. Go into settings. And from there, we're going to want to find the network and internet setting. From there, we're going to want to go into Wi-Fi. We'll click that. And then we're going to want to go to Manage Known Networks, add or remove. Alright, now as you can see here, we have a bunch of networks, one of which I'm currently connected to, which is I Know You're Looking, and the other two I am not currently using. The best thing to do in this case is go ahead and click Forget on the ones that you are not using so they do not interrupt the auto connect when you are using this. Then once you click Forget on the networks you are no longer using at this point, you can go ahead and click the one that you are actually using. And from there, just verify and make sure that the meter connection is clicked to off and not on. The next tip, you'll want to close everything out, and we're going to want to go and look for Services. We will click Services. And then once there, we're going to want to find the background intelligent transfer right here. You want to go to right click and go to Properties, and then you'll want to go and see the startup type. Here it says automatic delayed start. What we're going to want to do is go and click it to manual. We'll press OK and apply. That will apply. Afterwards, I'd recommend restarting your computer and then trying the Wi-Fi speed yet again. At that point, hopefully it would be sped up for you. If at this point that still hasn't solved your issue, the last thing I'd recommend doing is going to your settings yet again. From there, we're going to go to Network and Internet. You'll want to scroll down and find Advanced Network Settings. And then finally, you'll find Network Reset right here under More Settings. You'll want to click Network Reset, and then click Reset Now and follow the prompts that leads to. However, keep in mind that when doing this, this is a complete reset of your network, and you'll be disconnected and have to reconnect with the password to your Wi-Fi and all the information included that's necessary to get you back online. Hopefully that helped you guys fix your Wi-Fi issues and speed it up on your Windows 11 computer. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.